We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms.
We're back at it, but the compressor's being really loud. I was inside making bread, and he came out and he put up the three horizontals here and started with the pickets. So I'm going to put you on super speed because it doesn't turn off anymore. We need a new compressor. So we have one more picket, but it's got a flaw in it, so we're going to use it as our one that we splice to get in, to fill the gaps and fill the end right here. And we know we have to go get more. We need more supplies anyway, so it's not like we have to run to town just for pickets. Because this was like a last minute decision. We weren't gonna put pickets there, but I think it's a good decision. Anyway, then the gate goes here, so we could hang it.
Yep. Oh.
Now, I kind of wanted the hinges on that side. However, I think it's going to be easier to put it here because the chain latch is going to be impossible on this side. If we put a filler piece there, or we don't put a filler piece there, and then you can put the chain latch around that post. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Haha, we made this too wide.
What?
Yeah, it'll work.
Okay. That's pretty big gaps, though.
Yeah, they are. But we're using 4x4s.
I know.
This is almost to the end of the 4x4 anyways.
Yeah.
So we can make the H-brace right here. Can't we?
Yeah, go ahead and pull that 1x6 out though, so you've got something flat to set the gate on. Because it's not straight either. That's going to help fill the gap. Well, the bottom one's really the only one you got to mark, and then the other one you can adjust. But you do want it low like this.
As low as possible. Alright, so we'll do that. Here's your marker. My marker.
My marker? Let me back it up this way so you can get a better...
No.
No.
It's not gonna help.
Then you know. Okay. You want me to go back that way farther? You get the height anyway.
And it's going to go underneath it. Alright. And the other one will depend on where this one sits then afterwards.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go find
Yeah, this is the one that was on the bottom.
a drill hole there.
Because that one's painted on top. A drill hole, or you want to know what size this is?
Big.
Big. Okay. Big. Big. This is big. Okay. Alright. And then I think we've decided to do actual stretch fence on this side because we have it. So from there over we'll do the goat fence. So you have to do a horizontal here to make this an H-frame. And then the last one is the same size actually as this one, but perspective changes everything. That one gets a horizontal for an H. And then we just do a stretch fence from this post right here all the way to the corner. And then we'll cut the posts off all at the right height and put the 1x6s across the top and the front. So I think it's going to look good. Then we have to figure out how tall we want that cross beam up there. Like, where do we want that one? The cats are gonna have fun with this because they get up on the chicken coop and the aviary and the coop barn, and now they'll be able to walk all along here, go up across that, and then this stretch fence will have a platform all the way across the top, and then they can walk on this. When they get to here, they can get up on the roof that we haven't built yet, and then get all the way to their cat shed. So they can do all that without even touching the ground. The ground is lava. Mr. Pips, you hot? Yeah, it's not that hot today. It's humid more than anything. And they're telling us we're gonna get another rainstorm this afternoon, so we'll see how that goes.
We're not ready to do that yet, though.
What?
Because this is only one board. We need to connect to the other one first. Otherwise, it's a Richmond.
Yeah.
It's gonna look like it did yesterday.
Yeah. This one wasn't like that. It was the...
Yeah. All right.
So we need another 4x4.
Yeah. We have it, right?
Yeah, there's plenty of 4x4s. That length. And it is, if we go in the middle, yeah, let's go in the middle. 54 inches. Alright, so let me go measure that real quick. Okay, I'll write it down in front of me. Okay, so the H horizontal is at 3 feet.
3 feet. 3 feet. The bottom of it is?
The center of it.
Oh, well, shit.
So,
So 34 and a half, maybe?
I don't think it matters as long as you just do it. Just do it at 3. 1 foot, 3 foot, and then this one is at the top of the goat fencing.
Okay.
And it's like 4 foot, 1.5 inches, because the goat fencing is down a little bit behind it.
Okay.
And then the top of the post is 63 inches, and then the 1x6 is on top.
Okay. But this is 3 feet.
3 feet.
That's what we need.
Well, we need to know all of it. All of it. Alright. Let me just change my angle over here and put you on super speed. Okay, so we went and got, well, he went and got the tractor with the roll of goat fence. And now we have it attached over here by the where the gate opening is. And we're going to stretch it that way using the tractor. And staple, 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 staple. Alright, just like that, we have the fence up and stretched, and per what they said, it's about 30 minutes late, but there's a storm coming in. It got really windy and really dark. So funny. How do they know? Anyway, he's going to take the roll of fencing back, and then we'll put the gate on, and we can put the dogs in here. So I'm going to pick up some rocks, some wood. Actually, I should catch him. Get him. All right, it's been, I don't know what, maybe 20 minutes, and the sun's shining. Sun's shining, rain stopped, chickens are out, cats are in the middle of the yard, running around. Hi, Gyps. Hi, Mama. Mama Kitty. Anyhow, hi, Monkey. Where were you when it was raining? So now we're gonna resume. Look at all the cats in the garden. They like the carport too. There's Gandalf. I think that might be Pippin. It's hard to tell from the distance. And that's Hope. I know Gandalf's in there. Yeah, that's definitely Pippin. That's Pippin. Gandalf's in there though. I saw him go in there. Aragorn right there. Got the ladies. Mr. Snowshoe and his ladies are out today. And then Miss Monks. And Gypsy. Here comes Mr. Snowshoe. They're good barometers. If they come back out, it ain't gonna rain no more. Roosters are out. Sun's out. Right there. Now I suppose it'll get humid as all blazes. But we're thankful for the rain. So here's the fence we stretched. It's got a couple bellies in it, but that's okay. We're putting 1x6s on it. On this outside. Probably get the gate hung. Clean up in there a little bit, and then we can put the dogs over here. Although they're up on the deck now because everything's muddy, so it doesn't matter so much. It's gonna be a nice area. Nice. It's gonna be nice. There is a cool breeze though, that's for sure. Oh, and the other telling feature of all of this was that Arthur had come home while I was in the tractor. Arthur doesn't usually come home in the middle of the afternoon, so I guess he realized it was going to rain. We were just laughing at him, thinking, yeah, right. The sky's all blue. The sky's all blue now. That's nice. Alright. I'm going to put you on super speed because I'm just going to work on cleaning up in there a little bit, and then we'll get to working on the 1x6s. Alright, so we're trying to figure out our shopping list. And we got the 1x6s from the old fence that was over there laid out, and we realized we have 1x6s that will fit here where the H's are, right there and right here, but the next two sections we don't have boards long enough, so we're gonna have to buy boards for that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and do these two. We can't really do the ones on the ends though, because they're gonna need to be like all keep going, and we don't have the wood for that.
True. I suppose.
So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5, 8. 8, because they go across the top too.
Oh, yeah, I suppose. Whoa!
Oh, monkey. She intercepted.
Gypsy, you're fine. Alright,
They
so we're
didn't
gonna
touch.
need 8.
It was just a hissing
Yeah.
match.
8 of those.
And they have to be how long?
10 footers. Yeah.
Okay. 8 10-foot 1x6s. Huh? No. There's one little thing left. We need 8. One, 5, 6 by 10 feet.
Actually, we're gonna do 8-footers.
Okay.
Reason why is I'm at the edge of that one.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. So 8-footer would work.
All right, so 8,
8-footers.
1 by 6 by 8 foot.
Yeah. And then we got plenty of these for that. Right?
Yes.
Just need 8 more. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7.
There's one underneath over there
Is there?
that we can pull out when we get the rest of the picket.
Okay. So we're good on that.
And then we need to know how many.
More pickets.
No, I know that. How many more 2x4s we need to do the roof? Because we're going to pick up the 2 10-foot tall posts. Probably too late now.
Yeah.
We're going to pick up the 2 10-foot posts, and then I know I need 13, but I don't know how many are on the trailer.
So look. Putting this away.
I guess we're done for the day. We need to go get supplies. We're running to town now?
Yeah.
It keeps raining. It's raining again. So.
Let's get a couple sprinkles.
Let's put the ladder away and the rake away. Rake away, rake away.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle.
Let's leave this part here. More rocks. More rocks. All right, so I guess that's it for today. We're gonna run to town. Running to town, but we got it enclosed anyway.
Right.
It's enclosed.
Yep.
We just gotta put the pretty on it.
Yep. Pretty on it. We'll work on that.
Yeah.
Some way.
Oh, that'll be easy. Look at this over here, though. The upside down cat. Yeah. Mr. MacArthurson. Oh, there's like twitchy foot and everything. Yeah. All right. She says, I'm hanging on. Bye. That ain't gonna last long. Now you got holes in your shirt again. Every shirt.